Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. S8 Plus is a 3-year-old phone that comes with a Snapdragon 835 chipset, and this is a Snapdragon variant, not the Exynos variant, with a 4 GB RAM, while the A51 comes with a new Exynos 9611 chipset with 6 GB of RAM, and the S8 Plus comes with a single camera on the back versus a quad cameras on the back on the Samsung Galaxy A51. So let's see how much the difference between the A51 and the S8 Plus in head-to-head speed test battle. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And S8 Plus logo is here. And Samsung Galaxy A51 is running on Android 10 with One UI 2.0 versus Android 9 with One UI, and you can see, and still Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus is faster there than the Samsung Galaxy A51. Now it is also done, and you can see about 2 or 3 second difference there between these devices. And guys, you know that both phones comes with a very beautiful full HD Super AMOLED display, but we have a quad HD display, and the A51 comes with a Infinity OR display. It means that we have a hole punch display inside the Super AMOLED display, while the S8 Plus comes with the old 18:5:9 aspect ratio. And but guys, I have to say that it is one of the best displays, one of the best phones right now. And let's see the apps opening speed between these devices. So everything is closed up in the background, and you can see, and the first application I'm gonna open is the phone dialer, basic stuff. Faster on the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, followed by the A51. So opening up the settings, faster on the S8 Plus, little bit followed by the A51. A51 comes with a very smooth animation when you open the app, because Android 10 give you a very smooth animation in app opening speed. Let's see my files, and that is again faster on the S8 Plus, followed by the A51. So opening some more application, we have my clock, and that was about the same on both phones, exactly the same. And opening up the calendar on both phones, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A51, and S8 Plus is right behind there. And you can see not a huge difference in system based application. S8 Plus is faster in every system based application. So opening up the YouTube, and that is faster on the A51, followed by the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So launching some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. Exynos 9611 versus a Snapdragon 835 chipset, and you can see Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus is faster than the A51. Right now we have a Subway Surfer, and you can see Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus is again faster than the Samsung Galaxy A51. Very shocking result, I have to say that, because S8 Plus is a 3-year-old phone. Let's see the Temple Run 2, and again Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus is manages to beat the Samsung Galaxy A51 in this last game app loading time. And you can see S8 Plus is faster there, but not a huge difference, about 1 or 2 second difference there. So last I'm gonna launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app faster on the S8 Plus, followed by the A51. And S8 Plus comes with a single camera, but we have a quad cameras on the back, ultra wide, depth sensor, and a macro lens, which you don't see on the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default internet browser, Samsung internet browser. So first website we have is the Amazon.com, and same Wi-Fi network. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A51 is faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus is now it is also done. So let's see scrolling, and you can see both phones perform very good in the scrolling speed. So next on the list is the Apple.com, and And you can see Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus this time faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51, and again scrolling is very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Same thing with zooming in and out. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM management. And we have a 4GB RAM with Android 9 versus a 6GB RAM with Android 10. And no refresh. Let's see the settings. And that got refresh on the S8 Plus. And my files, again refresh. My clock, again refresh. Refresh. YouTube, that is not refresh on the S8 Plus. So far S8 Plus is not performed good in the RAM management because this is a 3-year-old phone. And let's see the Subway Surfer, that got refresh on the S8 Plus. And the Candy Crush Saga is not refreshed, and same thing again happened with the Temper Run 2. And last we are back to the internet browser. I guess you can see no refresh. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Very shocking result. It is faster in system-based application as well as a game app loading time, and it is still manages to beat the Samsung Galaxy A51, and A51 is right behind to the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the Samsung Galaxy A51, but many application is refreshed on the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know that the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, it is still worth right now. And let me know what kind of videos you want to see regarding the Samsung Galaxy A51. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.